Good morning, students. So in the previous class so far we discussed one of the most important questions for 5 marks questions. So now today we will discuss some of the important questions regarding matrix multiplication. Very important point till so far we discussed. Now we will discuss some problems regarding that. Before going to start now, just let us we have to practice a little bit. Show that 5 minus 1 6 7 into 2 1 3 4 is not equal to 2 1 3 4 into 5 minus 1 6 7. This is a asked question. Now what happened is one matrix 5 minus 7 6 7, another one is 2 1 3 4. Here interval reverse changing it. So this if I consider this is a matrix, this is a B matrix, A into B, AB, this is a BA matrix. Okay, AB is not equal to BA. Generally we have to show now. Just let us consider this now. 5 minus 1 6 7 into 2 1 3 4. What I said, matrix multiplication, how to multiply a matrix. Matrices, first row, first column. Let us consider. You have to move here, 5 into 2, 10. You have to move here, you have to come down. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Just recall. Next, first row, first column over. Next, first row, second column. This is a position. 5 into 1, 5. Minus 1 into 4, minus 4. 6 into 2, 12. 7 into 3, 21. 6 into 1, 6. 7 into 4, 28. Okay? First row, first column. First row, second column. Second row, first column. This is second row, second row, second column. You have to simplify. 10 minus 3, 7. 5 minus 4, 1. This is a 33. This is a 28, 30, 34. Isn't it? This one, let us take 1. This one we did it. Now what I will do it now. This one. Reverse it. 2, 1, 3, 4. 5 minus 1, 6, 7. Multiply. First row, first column. 2 into 5, 10. 1 into 6, 6. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 1 into 7, 7. First row, first column, first row, second column. Next, second row, first column. 3 into 5, 15. 4 into 6, 24. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 4 into 7, 28. Simplify it. What happened? 10 plus 6, 16. Minus 2 plus 7, 5. 39. 28 minus 3, 25. What happened? Equation 1 and 2 observe. This is not equal to this matrix. 7 is not equal to 16. Or we can conclude that from 1 and 2, this is not equal to this. Right? And observe that we can predict, we can say the property here under matrix multiplication. Under matrix multiplication, AB matrix need not be equal to BA matrix. That means commutative property is not true under the matrix multiplication. It may be possible, it is possible only in addition, matrix addition. A plus B matrix is always equal to B plus A matrix. But whereas in matrix multiplication, commutative is not possible. Commutative not holds. For example, we can give like this examples. Many examples are there. If it is true, only for some examples it may be, especially as a matrix having commutative property. But now we need not worry about the matrix multiplication. AB is not equal to BA. That means commutative does not holds. This is simply just practice purpose. I did it now. But now we go back for 5 marks question, very important. In the previous classes so far, we discussed a very important 5 marks question. Regarding that, we will continue very important 5 marks questions. Now I will write it. These are all 5 marks important questions. Now till so far, we discussed it in the previous class and now also. If f of x is equal to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1, then show that f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus 1. One of the important question for 5 marks, and we can solve it very easily if you know only matrix multiplication. And observe, most of the students will get confused. Here the question is f of x given. In the shoulder part, what is there? F of x is there, f of y, where it comes? F of y. Just replace x by y here. Say for example, in the previous year, you can f of x is equal to x plus 2, if suppose the case. F of 1, what you will do? Replace x by 1. If you, that means 1 plus 2, like this. If I write y, what happened? It is nothing but a y plus 2. Simple. F of x is given. If you want to find f of y, replace x by y. If you want to know what is f of x plus y, what is f of x plus y? Wherever x is there, replace x by x plus y, you will get f of x plus y. Now come to the point. Show that f of x into f of y. Let us, I will consider LHS part. LHS part is what? F of x into f of y. F of x into f of y. What is f of x? Given data, I will rewrite as this f of x. Cos x minus sin x 0. Sin x cos x 0. 0, 0, 1. This is f of x into f of y. F of y in the sense replace x by y in this question. F of x, this is entire f of x matrix. Now what I will do, f of y means cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. Just simply how to replace x by y. Simple. F of y means. Now matrix multiplication. How to multiply? First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, like this. This is the first row, this is the first column. We can predict the answer easily now. Cos x into cos y. Cos x into cos y. Next move here. Minus sin x into move here. Minus sin x into sin y. Minus sin x sin y. Correct? Next move here. 0 into 0 plus 0. First row, first column 1. Next first row, second column we have to move. First row, second column. Cos x into minus sin y. It becomes minus cos x sin y. Move here. Minus sin x into cos y. Next move 0 into 0. This is the first row, second column. Next first row, third column. Cos x into 0, 0. Minus sin x into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. First row, third column, 1. Next move for second row, first column. Second row, first column. Second row, first column, what happened? Sin x into cos y. Sin x into cos y. Move here. Cos x into sin y plus cos x into sin y. Move here. 0 into 0, 0. Next, sin x into minus sin y. Minus sin x sin y. Next, cos x into cos y plus cos x cos y. Next, 0 into 0, 0. Second row, second column. Next, second row, third column. Second row, third column. Sin x into 0, 0. Cos x into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. Isn't it? Next, second row over. Third row come to the point. 0 into cos, 0. 0 into sine, 0. 1 into 0, 0. Next, 0 into minus sine, 0. 0 into cos, 0. 1 into 0, 0. Next, 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 0. Again 0. 1 into 1, 1. Look at this. 1. Now, observe the point. We have to show that it is equal to f of x plus 1. And you must know very basic formula of trigonometry. Say for example, we know that sine of a plus b, sine of a plus b equal to what? Sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Okay, if it is minus, it is minus. Just remember. And cos of a plus b, cos of a plus b, cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. If it is minus, it is plus. We know the formula. Apply here. Observe. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. It looks the formula. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. It becomes what? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. In the sense it is what? It is nothing but a cos of x plus y. Apply here. You can observe that point. It is nothing but a cos of x plus y. Which one? This is. Next, take a minus common here. If you take common minus, what happen? It become cos x sin y plus sin x cos y. If I take minus common, think about it. If I take minus outside, cos x sin y plus sin x cos y. Sin cos cos sin. Sin cos cos sin. It become what? Sin of a plus b. Minus is there. I will write minus. Then sin of x plus 1. This is, you can be careful. Minus take outside, it become cos x sin y plus sin x cos y. It is nothing but the sin of x plus y. Next, this is 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. No. Next, come to the point here. It is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Sin cos plus cos sin. Sin cos plus cos sin means sin of x plus y. Sin of x plus y. Again here observe, minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y. You can read it, just reread it. Cos x cos y plus, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. It is nothing but again cos of x plus y. It is nothing but a cos of x plus y. Next, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. Now come to the point. This is 0. This is 0. This is a 0 plus 0 plus 1. What happened? Observe. The f of x given data, what is that f of x? Cos x minus sin x 0. Cos x minus sin x 0. Sin x cos x 0. 0, 0, 1. This is what? This is what? F of x. That is f of x. Now what we got? Cos, let us look at this. Cos of x plus y minus sin of x plus y 0. Sin of x plus y, cos of x plus y 0, 0, 0, 1. Observe there, x is replaced. This x is replaced by what? X plus y, isn't it? That's why I will write it f of x plus y. I will write it f of x plus y. What happened? This is nothing but a f of x plus y. Why? Because x is replaced by x plus y. This is the required proof. What they asked. Very simple. 5 marks question. You can get very easily, and time will save. Other than this question in this chapter will become getting more time to solve. But if you got this question in exam, you must attend it, because you will get less time to solve. Other than this question, many questions are there, but those questions are getting more time. Time will waste. But if you got this question, it will become very fast, and you can practice. You will come to know very easy. Okay. Only thing is what? Matrix multiplication and trigonometric basic ideas for understanding this problem. F of x, f of y, f of x, f of y. What is f of x? This is a question. If I replace x by y, it becomes f of y. If I replace x by x plus y, it will become f of x plus y. And I think you are getting the idea. Now we will move on next question. If you are getting this question come in examination, you must attend, because what happened, this is the easiest question and time will be within 5 minutes. You can practice it. If after practicing you can solve it within 5 minutes and you will get 5 marks. But other than this question, many questions are there. Like in the previous class we discussed associative property. I did a mistake, I think that problem, I did a little mistake there. In that, if you observe, if you are doing that much lengthy problem, time will be waste. But if you got this question, you must attend. Other than that, we will choose another questions if it is possible in the examination. Now we will continue the next question. Find a square minus 5a plus 6i if A matrix is equal to 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 3. Now what happened? A matrix is given. We have to find A square minus 5a plus 6i. What is I? Just remember. I think in the second class I explained the types of matrices. In that I mentioned what is I. I is nothing but a what? Identity matrix. I is nothing but identity matrix that having diagonal elements equal to 1 and remaining elements are all equal to 0. Diagonal elements, a square matrix in which diagonal elements must be 1. This is order 3, order 2, order 4. What is the given matrix A, order 3? We have to consider I is nothing but order 3. Okay, now A square minus 5. A square, if you want to find out, just look at this. A into A matrix is nothing but A square. A into A is nothing but A square. If you want to find out A square, minus 5A plus 6A. Yeah, just I will write the question A square minus 5A plus 6A. Better, I will write A square 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 3 into A. Don't write like this. Be careful. Okay? Don't write square of that. Just that become wrong. A square is nothing but A into A. This is what? A into A. What I am writing now? A into A. Just if you want to know, A square is nothing but A into A. Just you can rewrite it. A into A minus 5. A matrix 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 3. This is the A matrix. Next plus 6i. 6i is nothing but just now I said. What is I? What is I? Identity matrix of order 3. If it is order 3, you have to write order 3. If it is order 2, you have to write order 2. Okay? Order 3 is there. I will write 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Simple way. Now calculate it. How to find the product? First row, first column, first row, second column, like this. Now, what I will do? 2 into 2, 4. 0 into 2, 0. 1 into 1, 1. First row, first column over. Next, what I will do? First row, second column. 0, 1, minus 1. Be careful, slowly. Like what I did in the last class problem, very complicated. 2 into 1, 2. 0 into 3, 0, 1 into 3, 3. First row, third column. Next, second row, first column. 2 into 2, 4, 1 into 2, 2, 3 into 1, 3. 2 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 3 into minus 3, minus 3. 2 into 1, 2, 1 into 3, 3, 3 into 3, 9. Next, 1 into 2, 2. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. 3 into 1, 3. 1 into 0, 0. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 1 into 1, 1. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. 3 3s are 9. Now, A square over minus 5A. Minus 3 pi as it is. How to multiply 5? Scalar multiplication. We have to multiply 5 to each element of the matrix. 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 0, 0. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 3, 15. 5 minus 5, 15. Plus 6r. 6r means 6 multiplied. 6, 0, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, 0, 6. Multiply 6 to each element. Now, rewrite it. 4 plus 1, 5. 1, 1, 0. 2 plus 3, 5. 4 plus 2, 7. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 1 minus 3, minus 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 9, 14. 2 gets cancelled. 3. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 4. 1 minus 3, minus 2 plus 9. Minus 2 plus 9, 7. Minus 10, 0, 5. 10, 5, 15. 5 minus 5, 15. Plus 6, 0, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, 0, 6. Now what I will do, adding the matrices at a time, we can add all the 3 elements. 5, minus is there, be careful, 5 minus 10, multiply minus 8, okay, plus 6, this is odd. First row, first column odd, next, first row, first row, first column element odd, next, second, multiplication not there, only adding, 0, minus 0, plus 0, adding the, be careful, I am adding, not multiplying. Next, 5 minus 5 plus 0. 9 minus 10 plus 0. Next, minus 2 minus 5 plus 6. Next, 14 minus 15 plus 0. Next, 3 minus 5 plus 0. Minus 4 minus into minus plus 5 plus 0. Next, 7 minus 15 plus 6. This is the answer. You can simplify it further. That answer I will rewrite it here. Okay, I think you will understand that point. You can write next step. 5 plus 6 is 10, 11, 11 minus 1, 11 minus 10, 1, 0, 0, 9 minus 10, minus 1, minus 2, minus 5, minus 7 plus 6, 1, 14 minus 15, minus 1, I think we did wrong here, minus 2 minus 7, minus 7 plus 6, minus 1, 14 minus 15, minus 1, 3 minus 5, minus 1, minus 2, sorry, minus 5 plus 4, minus 4 plus 5, it will become 1, 7 plus 6, 13, 13 minus 15, minus 2. So this is a find, only they ask the find. Okay, find a square minus 5a plus 6r. Like this, we can calculate the quadratic equations like this, equation formation like this. We can find the solution by using the matrix multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Okay, just keep the point I is nothing but I identity matrix. Now we will look for very important 5 marks question. See, now we will continue next question. This is one of the important for 5 marks, but it become lengthy. It will get more time to solve. So, however, if you are concentrating, you will get it easy. But if concentration is required here. So now what is the question here? If A matrix is 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4 to 1, show that A cube minus 23A minus 40I is equal to O. O is nothing but a null matrix. It is O. Okay? And observe that A cube we need to find. A cube is nothing but a what? We can rewrite it. I will explain it. A cube is nothing but a square into A. A square is nothing but a what? A square is nothing but a into A. First I will do A square, then A cube, then we can substitute in the equation. You have to show that it is equal to null matrix. It is null matrix. Okay? Be careful we have to solve. And writing the question is very important, because if I didn't mention -2, you won't get the solution. Just be careful. Just we can write first. I will solve a square. A square is nothing but what? A into a. A is what? 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. A square. In 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. This is the A into A matrix. A into A, how to calculate? Just remember. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 3, 6. 3 into 4, 12. I will go very fast, because if I go very slow, I may be wrong. Little bit concentration is important. 1 into 2, 2. Minus 4 plus 6. 3, 2, 3. 3 minus 6, 4. 3, 2 are 6. Minus plus 4. 1 into 2, 2. Next 3 into 3, 9. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2. 1 into 1, 1. Second row, second column, third column, what? Third row. 4 into 1, 4. 2 into 3, 6. 1 into 4, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 2 into minus 4. 1 into 2, 2. 4 into 3, 12. 2 into 1, 2. 1 into 1, 1. Now simplify further. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 12, 19. 2 minus 4, minus 2. Minus 2 plus 6, 4. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 minus 6, 1. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 10 plus 4, 14. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 12 plus 3, 13. Sorry, 15. This is the A square. Now what I need to find it? A cube is nothing but what? A square into A. A square into 0. 19, 4, 8. 1, 12, 8. 14, 6, 15. A matrix. A matrix is what? 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. Okay, just observe. Again, first row, second column like this. 19 into 1, 19. 4 into 3, 12. 4 into 8, 32. Next, 19 into 2, 38. Isn't it? 38. 4 into minus 2, minus 8. 8 into 2, 16. Next, 19 into 3, 57. Next, 4 into 1, 4. 8 into 1, 8. Next, 1 into 1, 1. 12 into 3, 36. 8 4s are 20. Sorry, 8 4s are 32. 1 into 2, 2. 12 into minus 2, minus 24. 8 2s are 16. Next, 1 into 3, 3. 12 into 1, 12. 8 2s are 16. Just observe. Second row, third column. Second row, second column like this. Very carefully we have to do. 14 into 1, 14. Next, 6 into 3, 18. 15 into 4, 60. Next, 14 into 2, 28. Next, 6 into minus 2, minus 12. 15 into 2, 30. Next, 14 into 3, 12, 42. Next, 6 into 1, 6. Next, 15 ones are 50. This is a cube matrix. We need to rewrite it. Board is okay. Minus 23. We'll rewrite it. Okay, no problem. A cube. 19 plus 12 plus 32. 30, 40, 50. 59. 59 plus 4. 63. Next, right. 38 48, 38 minus 8, 30, 30, 46. Next, 57 plus 4, 4 plus 28, 12, 59, 69. Right. Next, 32, 36, 63, 64. 64. Sorry, 60, 66, 69. Sorry, 69. Next, 2 plus 16, 18. 18 minus 24. 18 minus 24 minus 6. Next, 16 plus 12. It is 20, 28, 28, 31. 16 plus 12. This is from what we did wrong. You see, 31, 20, 26, 28, 31. Next, we will move for 14 plus 18. 28, 28, 32, 32 plus 60, 92. 92. Next, 30 plus 28. 30 plus 28. 58, 58 minus 12. 58 minus 12. 58 minus 12. 46. 58 minus 12. 42 plus 6. 48, 48 plus 15. 48 and 58, 58, 63. Okay, I think we did wrong here something. We have to calculate it. Rewrite it. 31. We have to see. This is an element. I am thinking it is wrong now. This is a second row, third column element. Second row, 1 into 3, 3, 12 into 1, 12, 8 into 1, 8. This is wrong. 12 plus 8, 20, 23. I am writing. This is wrong. I did. You can observe it already. You observed. I think so. You got the idea. Now it is correct. Now what happened? We have to substitute. A cube we find out. Now we need to find 23a minus 40. Just I will write the question first. LHS. What is LHS? A cube minus 23a minus 40i. I is nothing but an identity matrix. A cube, I will write here 63, 46, 69, 69, minus 6, 23, 92, 46, 63. Minus 23 A matrix. A matrix in the sense 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. 23 A minus 40 I is nothing but identity 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Keep this as it is 63, 46, 69. 69 minus 6, 23, 92, 46, 63, minus 23 multiply, 23 into 1, 23, 46, it is 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 69, 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 69, it is minus outside only I written, 46, 23, 23 into 4, 4 3 is 12, 12, 4 2 is 8, 92, 23 into 2, 46, 23 into 1, 23. What I did? 23 multiplied to each number. Multiply to each number. Scalar multiplication. Minus 40, 0, 0, 0, 40, 0, 0, 0, 40. 40 multiply to each other. Now calculate. How to calculate? 63, subtraction or addition. Minus 23, minus 40. Okay, next 46 minus 46 minus 0. 69 minus 69 minus 0. 69 minus 69, this is minus 69 minus 0. Next minus 6 minus 46 minus 40. Minus 6 it is there, plus 6. Okay. This is wrong again, I'm sorry. Once again, 16 plus 2. It is becoming what? 18. 18 minus 20, correct? minus 46 plus 46. 23 into minus 2, minus 46. 23 into minus 2, minus 46. This is the wrong I did. Okay, be careful. 23 into minus 2, minus 46. So it become minus into minus plus 46. Then it is correct. Next, 60, this will be 23 minus 23 minus 0. Next, 92 minus 92 minus 0. Next, 46 minus 46 minus 0. Next, 63 it is. 63 minus 23 minus 40. And calculate it. And you can observe this is a minus 23 minus 46 minus 63 plus 63 0, 46 46 0, this is 69 0, 69 69 0, minus 46 minus 46 plus 46 0 0. So 92 minus 92 0, 46 minus 46 0, this is a minus 63 plus 63 becomes 0. This is a null matrix. Okay. Finally, we concluded null matrix. Hence, show that they asked it is null matrix. So that's why I said at the beginning only. It will take the time to solve. If I did a little mistake also, the entire solution become little bit complicated. That's why if you are solving these examples in examination, you have to be very careful. And concentration is required. Even though I did a little mistake also. Okay? That's why I am saying that you have to be very careful. If you are choosing the matrices question, it is easy for 5 marks, but concentration is required. Okay? Now, similar question I will give to you people. You can practice it. You can practice it and show that is there, no need to check. I will write a question. You can take it. If A equal to 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3 A matrix, prove that A cube minus 6A square plus 7A plus 2R is equal to null matrix. I think you will do, but be careful. If you are getting first time wrong, then try for second time to practice. Rewrite means a little bit some silly mistake also, don't neglect it. We have to be very careful. A matrix is the A cube. How to find? A square into A. A square how to find? A into A square. A square we can know, and A substitute 2R. I is nothing but identity matrix. Take LHS like this and simplify. You will get null matrices. Same in the previous example. I hope you will do that problem. Okay? I think you can practice that question, and I will move for next question. This is a 4-5 marks also. This is also, but it will take the time. You have to do very slow and concentration. First column, first to second column, and even though plus minus they can. Okay, I will move for next question. If A is equal to 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2, and I is equal to 1 0 0 1. Find K value. Find K such that A square is equal to Ka minus 2R. A square is equal to Ka minus 2R. A value, A matrix given, I matrix given. Okay, K value we need to find. So what is given? A square is equal to K into A minus 2R. A square is nothing but what? We know that A into A. What is A matrix? 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. A matrix into A. 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. A square matrix is equal to K into A matrix. 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. Minus 2R. I is nothing but identity. 1 0 0 1. Correct? Now what I will do? Matrix multiplication. As usual procedure. 3 into 3, 9, minus 2 into 4, minus 8. 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. 4 3s are 12 minus 2 into 4 minus 8 4 into minus 2 minus 8 minus minus plus 4. You have to be very careful. Matrix multiplication. Next, k multiply 3k minus 2k 4k minus 2k. 2 multiply 2 0 0. Right? Simplify. 9 minus 8 1. 6 minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. 12 minus 8 4. Minus 8 plus 4 minus 4 is equal to, simplify, 3k minus 2. Adding or subtraction? Minus 2k minus 0. 4k minus 0. Minus 2k minus into 2 minus 2. Okay, equality of the matrices. Any element you can equate, you will get the k value. So I will take first element. 1 is equal to 3k minus 2. 1 is equal to 3k minus 2. Send this to here. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3k. 3 is equal to 3k. Therefore, k is equal to 3 by 3. K equal to 3 by 3. 1. K value is 1. Okay. You can take 4k is equal to 4. K equal to 1. You can take minus 2 is equal to minus 2k. K equal to 1. Any element. You can take it and you can choose any element corresponding. Equality holds means corresponding elements must be same. Anything you can choose and you can find out k value 1. Okay, I hope you got the clear idea, and in next class some of the problems we will continue.